Next week, high pressure moves away and low pressure moves in, bringing wind and rain off the Atlantic. But at least for now, it's fairly quiet outside for the start of the weekend. Some sunshine, others seeing a lot of cloud and universally feeling quite cold. Now you can see from the satellite picture we've had the lion's share of the sunshine today across Wales into northern England and southern parts of Scotland. That continues there for the rest of the day, but for the rest of us we may not be quite so lucky. This afternoon then at 3 o'clock for Northern Ireland, occasional bright spells but a lot of cloud. We'll see a high of 5 degrees in Belfast. And for northern Scotland, some sunshine here, but a cloudier zone for the central belt. That could produce a few spots of rain. Head southwards there into southern Scotland and northern England. A fairly bright afternoon, some lengthy spells of sunshine, but it will be fairly chilly. Now sunshine hit and miss across the Midlands this afternoon, but hopefully one or two brighter spells in Birmingham, 2 Celsius, the top temperature there. And for Wales, the lion's share of the sunshine towards the north and west of the country, a little bit more cloud further south. And one or two bright spells too to the lee of high ground into southwest England, but for much of southern England today towards East Anglia it's a grey and cold picture, particularly when you factor in that breeze. Now this afternoon for the football matches in the FA Cup 4th round, all of them are looking dry. There'll be some spells of sunshine, but again temperatures really struggling at 2 or 3 for the high. Now overnight tonight there'll be variable amounts of cloud across the UK, but some spots of rain out of that cloud into eastern England and the far northwest of Scotland. But for the rest of us there'll be a touch of frost, the odd fog patch too, probably across Scotland, and universally cold again down to -1 or -2 degrees. So a cold start to Sunday morning with a touch of frost, and for most of us tomorrow it's a fairly cloudy day, but some brightness is possible, particularly for Wales into southwest England and the eastern side of Scotland as well. But there will be rain pushing into western Scotland through the day, accompanied by a fairly brisk breeze and also some hill snow, and still cold, 4 or 5 the top temperature. Now of course it's the big match tomorrow. Andy Murray's taking place in the Australian Open. We'll see bright skies and hot sunshine there, 40 degrees the top temperature, the heat easing a little bit into the early evening, and of course all the coverage right across the BBC on BBC One and 5 Live Sports Extra. As for us though, as I've mentioned, all change into next week. High pressure moves away, low pressure moves in, and it'll turn windier, wetter and also milder. Well that's it from me. Don't forget, plenty more for the next 5 days with BBC Weather Online.